Fazoli's Key Franchise Information Series, Franchise Business, The Guide to Franchises, Goals, Mission, and Vision of Fazoli's. Fazoli's is a fast casual Italian restaurant chain that serves freshly made pasta, pizza, subs, salads, and its famous unlimited garlic breadsticks. It was founded in 1988 in Lexington, Kentucky by Jericho Inc., the same company that once owned Long John Silver's. Fazoli's earns money by selling affordable Italian-American meals in dine-in, drive-thru, and delivery formats. Its mission is to serve premium Italian food fast, without sacrificing quality or hospitality. The brand's vision is to be the top Italian quick-service restaurant in America, offering a warm, family-friendly experience with great value. Are you wondering if a Fazoli's franchise is right for you? In this video, we'll give you key information about Fazoli's, from the brand's mission and vision, through its business model, to the support it offers to franchisees. This will help you make an informed decision about investing. 1. How does a Fazoli's franchise work? Learn about the business model. Key information. Franchise model. Fazoli's operates on a single-unit and multi-unit franchise system. Franchisees run their own restaurants under the Fazoli's brand, following strict standards for food prep, service, and layout. Fee structure. Franchisees pay an initial fee of $4,000, plus 5% royalty and 1% marketing fee based on gross revenue. Support from Fazoli's. Franchisees receive help with site selection, construction, training, and marketing. The brand offers ongoing support through field consultants, digital platforms, and a franchise advisory council.
Anecdote. One Fazoli's franchisee in Indiana added a drive-thru window to an older location and saw a 22% increase in sales within 3 months.
2. Entry costs for Fazoli's. How much does it cost and what earnings can you achieve? Key information. Initial costs. Total investment ranges from $74,000 to $23,000, depending on location and format. This includes franchise fee, leasehold improvements, equipment and signage, POS systems and tech setup, inventory and uniforms, permits, licenses, and legal fees, pre-opening payroll and training. Additional funds for 3 months of operations. Potential earnings. Average annual revenue per unit ranges from $544,645 to $19,31719. With profit margins from 12% to 18%, franchisees can expect net earnings from $648,777 to $347,709 annually.
Anecdote. One Fazoli's in Ohio hit $1.2 million in sales in its first year, thanks to a location near a high school and a free Breadstick Friday campaign.
Step by step. How to register a Fazoli's franchise and how long does it take? Key information. Registration process. Submit an application, complete a discovery call, attend interviews, review the franchise disclosure document, FDD, and sign the agreement. Documentation. You'll need a net worth of $75,000 and liquid assets of $25,000. Background checks, financial statements, and business plans are also required. Duration. The full process takes from 6 to 12 months, including approval, training, construction, and launch.
Anecdote. During Discovery Day, one applicant was so impressed by the breadstick tasting that they signed their agreement before dessert, calling it the fastest decision I've ever made.
Bond, taxes, and fees in Fazoli's. What do you need to know before you start? Key information. Income tax. Federal and state income taxes range from 21% to 35% of annual gross profit. Property taxes. These apply only to owned real estate and range from 1% to 2% of property value annually. Leased properties are not subject to this tax. State and local taxes include sales tax, from 4% to 10%, use tax, and local business fees such as health permits, signage licenses, and food handling certifications. Licensing fees. These cover food service permits and business licenses. They average 0.5% of annual gross revenue. Training costs are not included here. Marketing fees. Fazoli's charges 1% of gross revenue for national and regional advertising. This includes digital campaigns, seasonal promotions, and brand partnerships.
Anecdote. One franchisee in Kentucky used their local marketing budget to sponsor a pasta and pets adoption event, boosting weekend traffic by 38%.
While you're hiring employees in Fazoli's, how many do you need and what are the training costs? Key information. Number of employees. A typical Fazoli's location needs from 25 to 40 employees, including cooks, servers, prep staff, dishwashers, and managers. Training costs. Initial training costs range from $3,000 to $8,000 depending on travel, lodging, and wages. Ongoing training is provided through in-person sessions and digital modules. Training systems. Franchisees and managers complete a multi-week onboarding program. Crew members use Fazoli's e-learning platform and receive hands-on coaching from certified trainers.
Anecdote. One franchisee in Michigan trained their entire team using Fazoli's digital platform and won Best Guest Experience in their region just 2 months after opening.
Fazoli's operational costs. What expenses will you face daily? Key information monthly. Ingredients and resources. $1,000 to $2,000 depending on menu volume and supplier contracts. Salaries and benefits. $2,000 to $4,000 including wages, insurance and bonuses. Rent and utilities. $5,000 to $1,000 depending on location and lease terms. Insurance for premises. $2,000 to $5,000 covering property, liability, and workers' comp. Maintenance and utility. $1,000 to $3,000 for repairs, cleaning, and upkeep. Licensing and marketing fees. $2,000 to $4,000 based on gross revenue, total of all taxes. Around $3,000 to $6,000 per month including sales, and local state property taxes. Other 30%. Miscellaneous costs like legal, accounting, and income tax.
Anecdote. One Fazoli's in California served over 9,000 guests during a Pastapalooza weekend, forcing the team to restock marinara sauce twice in 48 hours.
Loving the video? Make sure to hit that subscribe button, give us a like, and share your thoughts in the comments. 7. Training and support. How does Fazoli's help its franchisees? Key information. Initial training. Franchisees complete a multi-week onboarding program at Fazoli's headquarters and in certified training restaurants. The curriculum covers food safety, Italian menu prep, customer service, inventory, and financial management. Operational support. Each franchisee is assigned a franchise business consultant, FBC, who provides ongoing guidance in operations, staffing, and marketing. Support includes quarterly performance reviews, benchmarking, and access to proprietary systems. E-learning platform. Fazoli's offers a digital training system for crew members including interactive modules, videos, and quizzes. It's updated regularly to reflect menu changes and operational updates. Marketing. Franchisees benefit from national campaigns, seasonal rollouts, and local store marketing kits. Fazoli's also provides branded assets, social media templates, and analytics tools to track campaign performance.
Anecdote. One franchisee in Tennessee trained their entire team using Fazoli's e-learning platform and won Best Pasta Execution in their region just 6 weeks after opening.
8. Franchise inspections in Fazoli's. What are the requirements and what to expect? Key information. External inspections. Local health departments conduct food safety and sanitation checks every 6 to 12 months. These include temperature logs, hygiene practices, allergen labeling, and food storage compliance. Internal inspections. Fazoli's corporate performs quarterly audits focused on cleanliness, service speed, food quality, and brand consistency. Surprise visits may occur during promotional launches or peak seasons. Frequency. Internal inspections are scheduled every 3 months. Franchisees receive detailed feedback and action plans to improve performance and maintain brand standards.
Anecdote. A Fazoli's location in Missouri passed a surprise inspection with a perfect score, earning a Golden Fork Award and a feature in the company newsletter.
Dine. Profitability of Fazoli's. Is it really a profitable business? Key information. Profitability. Franchisees earn average annual revenues from $5,406.45 to $1,337.19. With profit margins from 12% to 18%, net earnings typically range from $6,487 to $3,477.09 per year. ROI, return on investment ranges from 12% to 18%. Most franchisees recover their initial investment within 2 to 4 years, depending on location, staffing, and operational efficiency. Sharp Sheets +1. Success factors. Key drivers include strong brand loyalty, made-to-order meals, impulse-driven purchases, and strategic placement in high-traffic areas. Locations near schools, colleges, and shopping centers tend to perform best.
Anecdote. One franchisee in Georgia broke even in just 28 months, thanks to a location near a university and a loyalty app campaign that boosted repeat visits by 31%.
10. Fazoli's in the market. How is the brand doing today? Key information, market position. Fazoli's operates over 208 locations across 28 states, making it the largest quick-service Italian chain in the U.S. Growth and expansion. The brand is expanding through ghost kitchens, non-traditional venues, like college campuses and airports, and mobile ordering. In 2025, Fazoli's added 14 new U.S. locations and launched a sustainability initiative focused on packaging and food waste reduction. Franchimp.com +1. Challenges. Rising food costs, labor shortages, and competition from Olive Garden, Pizza Hut, and local Italian eateries have impacted margins. Fazoli's responds with menu innovation, tech upgrades, and flexible build-outs. Forecast. Analysts expect continued growth through value dining trends, loyalty programs, and family-focused promotions. The U.S. Italian QSR market is projected to grow from $6.1 billion in 2025 to $8.3 billion by 2030, CAGR 6.4%. Business Research Insights.
Anecdote. In 2025, Fazoli's launched its first mini pasta kitchen concept in a college town, and saw a 21% increase in lunch traffic within the first quarter.
11 Pros and Cons of a Fazoli's franchise. What you need to know before deciding. Key information. Pros: Re. Strong brand recognition in Italian QSR segment. B. Premium fast casual positioning with made-to-order meals. C. Flexible formats including ghost kitchens and end caps. D. Comprehensive franchise support and training. Cons. A. High initial investment, PAPAI. Limited menu flexibility. C. Competitive market with pizza and pasta chains. Operational complexity due to fresh prep standards.
Anecdote? One franchisee in New Jersey said, "Fazoli's gives you the pasta, the people, and the platform. You just need to bring the consistency."
12. How to choose a profitable franchise and avoid mistakes. Key information, market research, study local demographics, traffic patterns, and competitor density. Look for underserved areas or resale opportunities. Financial assessment. Review startup costs, expected ROI, and monthly cash flow. Consult with a franchise accountant or advisor. Consultations with experts. Talk to current Fazoli's owners, attend Discovery Day, and read the Franchise Disclosure Document, FDD, carefully. Support evaluation. Compare Fazoli's training, tech, and marketing support with other Italian brands. Franchise agreement analysis. Check for renewal terms, territory rights, exit clauses, and resale conditions.
Anecdote. One franchisee almost signed with a burger brand, until they saw Fazoli's pasta margins and realized garlic bread was the real goldmine.
Conclusion. Who is the Fazoli's franchise for, and is it worth investing? Fazoli's is ideal for entrepreneurs who love Italian food, high-traffic retail, and a proven fast casual model. With average annual revenues from $5,416.45 to $19,317 and profit margins from 12% to 18%, it offers strong returns for those willing to manage operations hands-on. Most franchisees recover their investment within 2 to 4 years, making it one of the more stable opportunities in the QSR Italian category. However, it's not for everyone. The initial investment ranges from $74,000 to $23,000, and Fazoli's enforces strict brand standards. Franchisees must follow exact procedures, recipes, and layouts. Flexibility is limited in terms of menu customization, and success depends on location, staffing, and execution. Fazoli's is best suited for multi-unit investors, experienced operators, and those with a passion for hospitality and impulse-driven retail. If you're ready to lead a team, serve craveable pasta, and build a loyal customer base, this franchise might be your perfect match. Just be sure to do your homework, talk to current owners, and understand the commitment before jumping in. Anecdote. In 2025, a Fazoli's in Chicago broke the brand's single-day sales record, serving over 6,800 breadsticks and 400 gallons of Alfredo sauce in 24 hours. Bibliography. Franchise Times. Franchise Business Review. Franchise World. Franchising for Dummies. In the next episode of Franchise Business, the Guide to Franchises. White Castle? Is White Castle a good choice for you? With our guide, you have all the necessary information to make an informed decision. Good luck on your franchise adventure. Thank you for watching. If you like the subject matter of this channel, please subscribe, like, and comment. I wish you a day full of success.